Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I have another diamond painting video for you all to show you the next two diamond paintings that I have. And I also will show you how I deal with whenever I don't get one of these. So the first one I wanted to show you guys. I absolutely love this one. It is a round. It is 50 by 70 centimeters. And that is what she looks like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And you can tell here that it doesn't look like there's a lot of color, right? But it has 45. It has 45 colors in that. And usually whenever you're, the larger you get, the more colors you have, the better it looks. So whenever you hear somebody saying, bigger is better for these, it's true, because the more colors you have, the better the picture is going to look overall. So again, I put the drills in little plastic bags, and these are round. And I'm not going to flatten these out like I did in the other video, because I just wanted to show you guys the one time how I flatten them. But I wanted to go ahead and get them separated because I will be flattening them later outside of the video. And I just wanted to show you guys. So here you have the picture again. And then you have your legend right here. And I'm just going to show you. Okay, well, firstly, you see there's the sticky part, okay? So this actually is a good example. So you just push it back down and rub on it with your nail. And then, see? Now the sticky's there. That's all you have to do. So if the glue ever comes up on you, just push the paper down, scratch at it with your nail, and then it'll lift up just fine. So I just wanted to show you how clear these symbols are and that it is really sticky. Okay. And then the second one did not come with one of these papers. So what I do, again, I put them, these came in little baggies already, and they give you the, I gotta see which one it is again. Okay, yeah, they give you the coordinating number that is, hang on, let me get this one. All right, so they give you the coordinating number that's on the legend. They give you the DMC code, which is at 939, and then they tell you how many are supposed to be in this bag, okay? And you can see on here, this one has 45 colors again. And then you've got the size, which is 50 by 70. And then this number right here tells you the number of the canvas. So anytime you get one, let me get the other one back. Anytime you get one of these canvases, there's a number somewhere on it, okay? And it coordinates with the number that's supposed to be on this. But sometimes you don't get that paper. So what I do is I just write the number down on a scrap piece of paper, and I put it in the bag with the drills. And that is how I keep them organized until I actually work on them. And that's the number that I put on the scrap piece of paper. And then this is what this one looks like. I thought this one was gorgeous. I had to have it. So the 50 by 70, and all of these were really well priced. So you can get some expensive ones on here. Evermoment is a store that, yes, it is very expensive, but they're by far worth it. I will show, I mean, you can get like, you know, this brand right here, they do really good canvases as well. And, you know, you can get good canvases from other stores. It's just Evermoment. You'll see when I do that video, the difference in how they package and everything like that. So we've got our drill field and how it is very sticky, and you can see the symbols really well. So those are the ones that I have for this one. Again, here is another example of a box that it came in. Again, I don't know that one of these was in this box, but I don't remember which one. But this is the normal box that you get. This is what they usually ship in, is something like this for the bigger ones. For the smaller ones, like if you're doing a really small one, they'll usually just send it in a bag. But for the bigger ones, they send it in a box. Now, I will be showing you an Evermoment one at some point, and you'll see the difference between how these companies ship and how they ship. So that's it for this video. If you like the content that you are seeing from this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I put up new videos. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.